Hello dear friends, today we are going to study the new chapter, 10th one chapter, that is the halogen derivatives. This halogen derivatives, these are the compounds which are formed by the combination of halogen, carbon and hydrogen. Halogen derivatives in hydrocarbon, when the halogen enters by replacing one hydrogen atom, then there is the formation of the halogen derivatives. See the introductory part. This is the parent family of organic compound which is known as the hydrocarbon, right? Here replacement of hydrogen atom in aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom, which will give you the halogen derivatives of the hydrocarbon, right? The compounds obtained by replacement of hydrogen atom by halogen in aliphatic or aromatic compound is called as halogen derivatives, right? See, the halogen derivatives can be classified into different types on the basis of the hydrogen skeleton, the number of halogen atoms, right? The halogen compounds, see here, aliphatic halogen compound and aromatic halogen compound. In aliphatic halogen compound we are having these three types: haloalkanes, haloalkenes and haloalkynes, right? And for aromatic halogen compounds we are having these two types: nuclear halogen derivative and side chain derivative, right? Here on the basis of the hydrogen skeleton, these major types we are having, that is the haloalkane. For example, you can take CH thrice, CH twice dash X. X can be chlorine, bromine, iodine or fluorine. Haloalkane, second one. CH twice, double bond CH and X, means to the alkyl alkynated carbon atom, one halogen atom is attached, right? In the case of haloalkynes, again to the triple bond carbon atom, one halogen atom is attached. See here the example: CH triple bond CX. And the fourth one is haloarenes, means in the aromatic compounds, when the entry of halogen atom is taking place, then there is the formation of the haloarenes, right? On the basis of the number of halogen atoms, we are having the three types, that is the monohalogen compound. When in the aliphatic or in aromatic compounds one halogen is enters, then the compound is known as the monohalogen compound. When in the compound two halogen atoms are enters, then the compound it is known as the dihalogen compound. If three halogens are present, then the compound it is known as the trihalogen derivative of the hydrocarbon, right? Here now see the classification of the monohalogen derivatives on the basis of the nature of the compound, that is the compound can be the alkyl halide, the compound can be the allylic halide, benzylic halide, aryl halide or vinylic halide. On the basis of this we are having the classification of this alkyl halide. See, the alkyl halide is having again the three types, that is the primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide, right? Here see what is meant by primary. Primary alkyl halides specified that when the halogen atom it is bonded to carbon number first, when you are numbering to the chain of the carbon and here the halogen is attached to the carbon number first, then it is known as the primary halide. Then if the halogen atom it is having the two other carbon atoms which are attached to the carbon which is having the halogen atom, it is known as the secondary one. And in the tertiary case, the halogen atom is bonded to the carbon which are having the other three carbon atoms or the other three alkyl groups, that is suppose here R dash and R double dash. Okay, this is about the primary, secondary and tertiary halides, right? Next one is the allylic halide. In the case when the compound is having the double bond and the presence of halogen atom, then it is known as the allylic halide. Halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon carbon double bond, right? This is the allylic halide. Okay, in case of this benzylic halide, see the benzylic halide, the halogen atom is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon which is further bonded to the aromatic ring. Here see, this is the aromatic ring, right? And next one is the vinylic halide. In the case of this vinylic halide, the carbon atom, it is attached, halogen atom is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom to aliphatic chain, and vinylic halide is an haloalkene, right? It can be a haloalkene. And next one is the aryl halide. This aryl halide again, in these aryl halides, halogen atom is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the aromatic ring. Means here again the presence of aromatic ring is necessary. Okay, this is the classification of halogen derivatives on the basis of hydrogen skeleton, on the basis of the number of halogen atoms, and on the basis of the compound, which type of compound is present. Now see, next topic we are going to study, that is the nomenclature of the halogen derivatives, right? Here if you are going to study the homologous series of the alkane, alkene or alkyne, the first compound is the methane, second one is the ethane, and if one hydrogen atom it is replaced from this homologous series, then you are getting the particular halide, right? This, see, this first is methylene chloride or dichloromethane, second one is the ethyl bromide or bromoethane, this third one is isopropyl chloride or 2-chloropropane. Okay, why this is 2-chloropropane? Because the numbering, if you are doing from the carbon number which are having the halogen atom, then here the name will be 2-chloropropane, right? Now see, here vinyl chloride it is given, which is also known as the 1-chloroethene. Next one is the allyl bromide it is given, which is known as also the 3-bromopropane, right? And here the last one is the M-dichlorobenzene, which is also known as 1,3-dichlorobenzene, right? This is the nomenclature of the halogen derivatives. You can see in this table also, CH3Cl, chloromethane or methyl chloride. Here again see this compound number last, 2-chloro-2-methyl propane, that is the tertiary butyl chloride, right? Here again this carbon is having the 3 alkyl groups, the last in the table, see, the last one is the carbon atom is having 3 different alkyl groups, that's why it is known as a tertiary butyl chloride. If the carbon atom is having this 2 alkyl groups bonded to the carbon atom, then it is known as the isobutylene chloride, right? And if one methyl group is present, then you can specify the 1-methyl 2-chloropropane, right? Or 2-chloropropane isopropyl chloride. Okay, this is about the nomenclature of the halogen derivatives. In this period we have studied the halogen derivatives, the introductory part, the classification and the nomenclature. Thank you.